I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? Can you hear me? Okay. Are you taking rest? Means what time is there right now? Okay, 6 5. Then after taking rest, you have to go to office once again. Okay, what time? 1 hour. Okay. After 1 hour, you have to go to office around 7, right? Okay. Did you finish your lunch? Okay. Then after that, what time will you come back? Oh, ha. Then, miss, what time do you take your dinner? Okay, you take dinner around 1:30 and you have to go to bed, right? Is it your daily routine? This kind of? Okay. Then it's fine. Because if anyone heard that kind of timing, then because in India time, right, we take dinner around 9 to 10. After that we have to go around 11 or 10:30 on bed. Then you people have a different routine in there, right? ah mhm. Because you have habituated, right, to take that time your dinner or something. That's why if you add, okay, okay. Did you means get call from your office, your colleagues or family members? Okay. Then are you staying alone or do you stay with your friend? Right. Hmm, right. Because no one can give you company in there, right? Because if you don't feel well, then who support you, right? Then if you stay with your friend or 2 3 people, then they take care you. And if you don't feel means cook, then they cook, right? Then that kind of means I got your point. Right. Because if you talk with anyone, then little bit you feel someone with me, right? Right. Otherwise, how many time you talk with your colleagues inside office, right? Then you have to talk with your roommate also, right? Okay, you tell me, your friend work with you or they are working in different company? Hmm. Same company but different branch, right? Okay, they also that their office also beside your office or that is a long distance? Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Then okay, you are working in restaurant, right? Then how long have you been working in there? How long have you been working in there? Uh-huh. Okay, then that restaurant means owner of Kuwaiti or Indian people? Kuwait people, right? They provide everything. Okay. They provide salary on time and the accommodation on time, everything. Okay, okay. Then that's why your work is a 24 hours, right? Because the restaurant work or hmm 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 okay. But right now, okay, right now, do you get extra money? Okay, they only provide a salary, right? Okay, then means it's okay because you get salary on time, right? If you be means old in there means working professional 5 6 year, then definitely you know about different company and you join in there, right? Who provide a good salary and everything. Then you tell everything you purchase in there, high cost in there, right? Water and fruits, rice, everything is cost in there, right? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, that's why sharing room is better, right? Hmm, right. And I think how much do you provide rent in there in Indian rupees? Mm-hmm. Oh, mm-hmm. Then around 50,000, 60,000 means 1 lakh around this kind of, right? Huh? Mm-hmm. Then a little bit you feel relaxed, right? Right. बिल्कुल. Because of but you have that kind of room in there, then you can stay 7 8 people together, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. You cannot take for time to rest. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, right now you are staying home. Mm-hmm. Okay.